Let me quickly show you how to overlay videos in CapCut. Now, this is what a video overlay look like. And these days, video overlay is becoming very popular, especially as reaction videos are becoming very popular and getting viral views across all the social media platforms. Meanwhile, I have a comprehensive CapCut video editing course. If you love to get everything about CapCut and also enjoy my video editing mentorship, the link and chat access will be in the video description. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is to have CapCut installed on your mobile phone. If you're using a mobile phone, and if you're using a laptop or a desktop computer, you want to have it also installed on your computer. So I'm going to be using a phone for this demonstration, just in case if you want me to also demonstrate it in a laptop or other CapCut tutorials in laptops, just let me know in the comments section. All right, so of course, once you now have your CapCut, I'm just going to launch the CapCut and it's going to bring me up to this interface. Okay, so here the first thing I want to do, of course, is to upload the video that I want to use as my main video and also the video that I want to use as my overlay, right? So of course, to do that, I'm just going to come here and tap on the new project button here. All right, so once it brings me to my video gallery, of course, I want to assume also that you have your videos already recorded and it's on your device. Okay, so here is the video I want to use as my main video. I'm just going to tap on it, and once I do, I'm going to come here and click on the add button here, and it's going to be loaded to the editing page of my CapCut. Okay, so here is the main video. Of course, there are so many other things you can do to your main videos. I already recorded other videos that show you several things you can do for your videos. Some of them are in the video description, and I also have a dedicated playlist for my CapCut video editing tutorial, so you can check it up to just see things you can do with your video. But here, what we are interested in is adding an overlay. Okay, so this is my main video. Let me play it so that we see what it looks like. Video editing, and it's gonna be all right, so that's cool. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do is to add my overlay, and to do that is simple. All I need to do is to come down to the multifunction toolbar here, and then I'm going to locate my overlay tab. As you can see here, I'm just going to click on that overlay tab, and it's going to bring this plus button for me. And then I'm going to tap on that button, and again it's going to send me back to my video gallery where I need to add a second video now that I want to use for my overlay. Okay, so let me go with this, for example. Okay, and once I do, again, I'm going to click on the add button, and my overlay is going to be added at the bottom of my main video. All right, so if you can see here, you will see that both videos are not actually starting from the same spot. Okay, so if you want the two of them to start from the same spot, it's simple. Just come over here, click and hold this video, and then just drag it. Okay, just keep dragging it until you get to the top. So you can see now that the two of them are actually starting from the same spot. Okay, but if you don't want it to start from the beginning, of course, you can also readjust it. So if you want to readjust it, for example, just tap on the main video here, as you can see here, and then you can go ahead, hold it, and then you can drag it again to wherever it is you want it to start from. So that is exactly how to go about that. But of course, as you can see now that my overlay is majorly covering the main video, and that is not what we want. Okay, so what I want to do now is to adjust this overlay so that it can stay at a corner where I want it to be. So for you to do that, all you need to do here is to place two of your fingers on this overlay video and just zoom it in or out as you want it to be. So in this case, I'm going to be zooming it in so that it can get smaller. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and do that right now. As you can see, okay, so depending on the size that you want this to be in, you can see as we have it here. So I'm okay with this size, and all I need to do again is to place a finger on this video and then drag it all the way to any corner that I want this video to be. Okay, as you can see here, you can just place it anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to place mine at this corner here, and I think I'm cool with this. Of course, you can still drag it inner or outer, zooming in or zooming out depending on what you want. Okay, so if I play the video now, you're going to see what we're going to have. All right, now there are several things you can of course do to your videos if you feel like doing so, but for me, what I notice here is that both the main video and the overlay video seem to be competing for volume. Okay, so what I would do right now is that I'm just going to reduce the volume of the overlay, and then I'm going to leave the volume of the main video. If you want to do it otherwise or the other way around, you can also do that. So for me to change or to edit the volume or to raise or reduce the volumes, all I need to do is just to tap on the very video that I want to work on the volume. This time around, it's on my overlay, so it's already highlighted. And then I'm going to come all the way down to the multi-tool functions here, and then I'm going to locate the volume. As you can see here, I'm going to tap on that, and once I do, I'm going to have something like this. So if I want the volume up, all I need to do is to drag it up. But if I want it down, in this case, all I need to do is to drag it down. And if I want to completely kill this volume, all I need to do is to drag it up to the point 0. Okay, so these are some of the things I can do. Of course, I can speed up these videos. I can, reduce the speed. So for example, if I want to speed up my overlay video, again, the video is highlighted. I'm going to just come in here, tap on the video, and then again, I'm going to come to my multifunction tools here, and then I'm going to locate speed. As you can see here, if I click on that speed, it's going to bring these options for me, and then here I'm going to tap on the normal, and once I do, it's going to bring me up here. So if I like, I can actually increase the speed of any of the videos, as you can see here. All right, and I can also reduce the speed. Okay, so I can do this either for the overlay or the main video. It's just as simple as that. And once I'm cool with my settings, all I need to do is to come in here, and then I'm going to click on this save option here. Okay, once that is done and I'm okay with everything I have, all I need to do is to come to the export button here, export it, and then it's going to be downloaded into my device, and I can go ahead and use it for whatever it is I want to use it for. All right, so it's as simple as that. This is how to overlay your videos in CapCut. If you have any question for me regarding this or any other CapCut tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer you. Also, please like this video, share it so that YouTube algorithm can suggest this video to more persons that need information like this. Of course, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you want to hit the subscribe button so that when I publish more CapCut and other marketing related videos, you're going to be the first to know about it. Meanwhile, I show you how to add caption in CapCut in this video. I think you will need to see it.